Hello, and welcome to the Leisurely Learning EquatIO series. In this series, we will go over in depth how to use the various parts of the EquatIO extension to best support your students. In this video, we will be reviewing how to install the EquatIO extension. Let's get started. So before we start, the first thing that we want to do is we want to check that we're actually signed into our GAPS account. So over on the right-hand side of our screen, you're going to notice there's an account icon, and you may see two of them. We're interested in the top one. We're going to click on that, and we're going to check two things. First, we're going to check to make sure that our GAPS account is listed and that sync is on. If we've done that, we should see the actual EquatIO extension right here on our taskbar. If we don't, that's okay. I'm going to take you through how to add it. So in this situation, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go to the Chrome Web Store. Now, there is two ways to do that. The first way is to go to Apps and select Chrome Web Store from here. The alternative is to type in Chrome Web Store and select from the list. If you are on a Chromebook, you need to go into your apps and find it that way. Once in here, we're going to take a look for the extensions. So you can type in EquatIO, okay? And you want to make sure you don't actually choose from the drop-down list because it will automatically bring up equation. So you're going to type in EquatIO, I can see it here, and then you're going to press enter. And we're going to see the extension show up with this blue box. We're going to press Add to Chrome, and then we're going to press Add Extension. Okay, once the extension has been added, you will see it appear in your extension toolbar, along with a pop-up to let you know that it is there. Do you have questions? Use the link below to access the EquatIO video question form. Be sure to leave an email so that we can respond to your question. Thank you for watching this video.